Starling.
Hey, we'll be opening the Marshall with the Marshall Pup Pack.
The Marshall Pup Pack.
If you press this, his hose will go up.
Mom, clap.
Now let's get started.
Don't clap.
I can't clap. I can only use one hand at a time right now. I'm doing your sister's video.
Okay.
I'll snap, okay? Is that okay? If I snap? Thanks, darling.
You're doing good.
So what all comes in that Paw Patrol pack?
There's Marshall and a badge that you can wear.
Marshall and a badge that you can wear.
Now let's see if we can get this thing open.
Look, Dad. What do you think about me? Dad, look. Look, Dad.
Show me the badge.
Now here is the badge. Now if you take this apart, you can put it in your shirt.
No, not a V card.
And just put it there and put it right here, like, and then you can wear the badge. And let's look at Marshall. His head moves.
Mom, my dad
He doesn't move. This didn't come with a truck for him, but his arms can go down and up. Now see this badge right here? You press it and it goes up.
Cool beans.
Okay, I hope you like this set. And if you do, please like it. And also, who's your favorite Paw Patrol member? Mine is Sky. Bye and have a good day.